Today I'll show you some websites that you can use to earn free PayPal money. They work for absolutely free and anyone can join. If you're interested, make sure to follow me till the end of this video so you can get the desired results. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are watching this video that if you haven't already, you can subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World and hit the notification bell on if you want to get notified each time we upload brand new strategies just like this ones on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and that way make the most money. Also, if you like this type of content, you can just give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and also don't forget to share with your friends too. Without any further ado, I'm going to start right away with this strategy so I can show you every single step. Stay tuned until the end because you can get easily lost and confused. So the very first app that I want to show you out of multiple ones is this one here called Buxinside. This is over at buxinside.com. As you can notice, you can get paid every 10 seconds by just browsing their advertisers' websites, and you can cash out instantly actually once you just reach $2 in your account. As a member, you're going to get effortless income. Also, you're going to just get paid through different payment methods that we are going to just check out in a minute. They do offer payment proof, so you can just check out the payment section down here, and in the next page just see people getting paid through their preferred payment method, and they are from anywhere in the world, from Canada, India, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Israel, Brazil, Venezuela, and so on. And you're going to notice here that they're getting paid every single day and also through different payment methods including Payeer, PayPal, RTM, Perfect Money. And you're going to notice here that how much money they have made, which is in total actually. And for example, this person here has made like more than $6,000, which is pretty crazy. This one here, for example, has made $4, this one here $50, $490, and so on. So this is just like one page out of more than 250 entries, which shows that this platform has paid a lot of money to their members. So I'm going to just proceed by creating an account. You just need to go over to the register button in the upper right corner, and then you just need to put a username, a payment email, confirm the email. You can leave the referral box empty since you haven't been referred by anyone. You need to choose the currency that you want to get paid in, the payment method between PayPal, Perfect Money, RTM, Payeer, and also Coinbase because they pay you through cryptocurrency as well. Your birth year over here, you're going to notice that the minimum age is going to be 16 years old. Also, you can just complete this captcha and agree to terms of service. After that, you need to click on the register button. So you're going to even notice some other features over here that you can just check out. So I'm going to proceed right away to the second platform for today called Adwallet. This is over at adwallet.com. You're going to notice that this platform pays you mostly by just watching videos from the brands that you care about, but they do offer some other ways to get paid. You're going to notice that each interaction with the video is going to take you like a few minutes and can pay you up to $3, which is a lot actually, and you can even unlock exclusive offers. You can see that they are going to give you real money, real cash from your favorite brands, and you can receive a text whenever it's time for you to just log in and watch a new video that is hand-picked just for you. You can get rewarded from 50 cents up to $3 per video interaction, and you can make even more money by earning an additional $1 for every member that you refer to this platform. You can even download offers from brands that you love. Once you reach $10 in your account, you can easily cash out, and you can notice that they have paid like more than $1 million in cash and rewards to their members in just their first 12 months. You're going to notice that besides watching videos and referring members, you can even complete online surveys, and they offer you 3 ways to get paid: through MasterCard, prepaid card, e-gift cards, and also you can donate the money to charity. And just check out the video testimonials down here from members of this platform, what they have to say about it. Also, you can just scroll down to see some frequently asked questions and learn more about this platform. For example, if you just create an account right now and use the promo code FAQ, you can earn your first $1, which is a nice addition and a bonus. So I want to mention that you need to click on the sign up now button here in order to create an account, or just create an account here, and then you're going to just put your information in order to get started. But this one unfortunately is not available for countries outside the US. It's only available in the US. So if you are from the US, you can just easily use this platform. With that said, guys, I'm going to proceed to the last one for today, and this is called Irazoo. This is over at Irazoo.com, and you can earn free gift cards and cash with it. They've paid to their members more than $168 million in cash, and the reason why they pay is because brands pay them for consumer input, so they recruit members just like you to do some activities over here, which include downloading apps, watching videos, doing pet surveys, completing offers, and playing games. And when you do activities here, you're going to earn free gift cards and cash. It's free to join, and you can start earning right away. You're going to see that this platform has been seen on the Crazy Gimple Lady, Yahoo, CNN, The Penny Hoarder, and Wall Street Journal, which shows that it has a lot of potential, and of course it's absolutely legit. They give away thousands of dollars of free money every single day to each one of their members, and you can see that once you join for absolutely free, you just need to start completing those tasks. For example, sharing your opinions in different surveys, playing the hottest games, watching entertaining videos, and everything you do, it's going to give you points that you can of course redeem for rewards. You can select the biggest brands online like Amazon gift cards and so on, but even get paid in PayPal cash if you want to. But you're going to see that they also offer a blog, but also they give you like 100 free points once you just create your account, which is a nice addition because you can just redeem those points for money. And down here we have some testimonials that you can check out by yourself. You can see that members have been around for years now and what they have to say about this platform. They do offer some reviews on Trustpilot and this other platform as well. You can just see what are the reviews of it here. They got more than 2,000 of reviews and 4.6 stars, which are some excellent reviews, and also it is a verified company according to Trustpilot. So what I want you to do right now is to create an account for absolutely free by clicking in the join button in the upper right corner. Then you're going to just put an email address, a first name, a last name, a password, and click on the create account button. Of course, you also agree to a privacy policy and terms of service by creating this account. Something else I want to mention is that for each of these ways to get paid online, you can see an explanation, some information, and so on. You can call it the way that you want. For example, if you want to just watch videos, just click on the watch videos section. If you want to download apps, you can download it here. For example, I'm going to just click on play games, and you're going to see that you can play your favorite games and earn some easy points. You're going to just scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see that they offer a gaming arena that you can choose your favorite game, and you're going to just see that these games include the latest action, adventure, quiz, or puzzle games. So it is for every kind of gamer, and you're going to just get paid even from gift cards for brands like Microsoft, Xbox, and Sony PlayStation, which is pretty awesome actually, and you're going to have fun and get paid. That's why I love this platform a lot, since they offer you different payment methods as well. So guys, this was the last platform for today. I really hope that you liked this video, and if you did, you can just give a thumbs up to it, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next tutorial with a brand new strategy.